Hello everyone, welcome to Dhiman Academy. I'm Salone Dhiman and today I'm going to teach you accounting concepts. First of all, let me tell you why it is important to study accounting concepts. Accounting concepts, they act as a base for your accounting. If we skip this chapter, we cannot understand other things fully. So before moving further, before going to journal entries and ledger, it is very important to know these concepts. So let's begin with the videos. Accounting concept or assumptions. There are three types of assumptions: going concern concept, consistency concept and accrual concept. Before looking into these definitions, let's understand the meaning of accounting concept. Accounting concept क्या है? It tells us how transactions are recorded. ये हमें बताएगा how we have to actually record the items in books of account. Which item is to be debited, which item is to be credited, which item is liability, which item is asset. So it will tell the methodology or method through which we will account the transaction in books of account. It will make everything more meaningful as it will tell us the rules and regulation of recording the transaction. So eventually everything will become more meaningful, clear and precise. Also, it facilitates comparison. Comparison, like when two firms, they are following these concepts, then we can later on compare the data of these two firms and make analysis which firm is doing better. Let's study all these concepts one by one in detail. The first concept that we will study is going concern concept. क्या बोल रहा है ये? Business continue for long period of time. अगर आज हमने बिजनेस ओपन कर लिया है, वी शेल कंटिन्यू आवर बिजनेस फॉर आवर लाइफ टाइम एंड वी डोंट हैव एनी इंटेंशंस टू क्लोज डाउन द बिजनेस इन कमिंग फ्यूचर. Due to this reason, we come in long-term contracts with other parties. We make them payments, we take goods on credit. So this is the sole reason, because we don't have any intentions to close down our business. So that's why we came in contract with other parties which are outside to the business and make long-term contracts. So no intention to shut down in near future. We will assume that business is a continuing enterprise. We will not shut it. हमेशा इसको चलाएंगे. This is very important point. Classification of current or fixed asset. We know we are not going to close our business. So इसीलिए we will classify. This is our current asset. इसको हम short period के लिए use करेंगे. This is our fixed asset. We will use it for long period of time. So this is the reason of classification of current assets into current liabilities. अगर हमें ये हो हमारे मन में, हम तो ये business बंद कर देंगे. So there is no idea of classification of asset. I hope you are clear with this concept. Second is consistency. Consistency का मतलब क्या होता है? Same. So it means the method which we will use in recording our transaction will remain same throughout the business. Yes, we will change the methods of recording the items. Here I have taken example of depreciation. The depreciation is charged on fixed asset. You will read about depreciation in detail in next chapters. But for the time being, I want to explain you that there are two methods of calculating depreciation: straight line method and written down method. So if a company has followed this policy, so if the company has followed this method, it will not change this method. ये नहीं है कि इस साल straight line method कर दिया, next year written down method कर लिया. No, it will remain same. If they have adopted straight line method, they have to record the transaction using this method. They cannot change the method later on. Purpose of this method is to enable comparison of profits year wise. Like we can easily compare the profit of 2005 with 2015 and with 2020 if we have adopted the same method, if we have followed the same method throughout this period. If there will be change in any method, यहाँ पे हमने कोई और method use किया, यहाँ पे हमने और कोई method किया, the profit will not reveal true picture, true financial position of the business. So it is a responsibility of proprietors and all the accountants to follow one method throughout the year and should not change it at any cost. Last but not the least, accrual concept. This is very interesting. Transactions are recorded when they are made. जब ट्रांजेक्शन हुई है, at that time we have to record in books of account. We will not wait for the cash to be paid or received. चाहे कैश मिला है, चाहे पे किया है, चाहे नहीं, we will record the transaction irrespective of the fact whether cash is received or not. Let me give you one example. On 1st July मैंने गुड्स सेल की है ₹10,000 की टू अ कस्टमर. अब मेरी ट्रांजेक्शन हुई है बट दैट कस्टमर हैज़ नॉट पेड मी मनी, सो इट इज़ माई ड्यूटी टू रिकॉर्ड इन बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट 1st जुलाई को क्रेडिट सेल की है मैंने 10,000 की. अगर उस डेटर ने मुझे आफ्टर 10 डेज़ या आफ्टर 10 मंथ्स पैसे दिए हैं, मैं तब जाके एंट्री रिकॉर्ड नहीं करूँगी. मैं आज ही एंट्री उसकी रिकॉर्ड कर लूँगी कि मैंने उसको क्रेडिट सेल्स दिया है. The basic purpose of following this concept is it makes the net profit very clear and very authenticate and very reliable because it depicts a true picture of the accounts. So this method is widely used by all the firms, by all the businessmen. You are clear with the accounting concept? If still you have any doubt, you can ask me by commenting in the comment box. Also, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You can also share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. मिलते हैं हम next video में. Till then, bye bye.